Welcome to my channel. Today we're bringing you an exclusive look at the 2026 Chevrolet 3200 pickup truck, a machine that blends raw American muscle with the sophistication of modern engineering. This truck isn't just built to perform. It's built to dominate every road, every load, and every challenge. So sit back, hit that like button, and let's dive into the power, design, and spirit of the all-new Chevrolet 3200. From the very first glance, the 2026 Chevrolet 3200 makes a statement: strong, bold, and unmistakably Chevy. The front fascia carries that iconic Chevrolet DNA, a massive chrome grille with the signature bow tie emblem, flanked by futuristic LED headlights that slice through the dark like a blade. The muscular hood lines and sculpted side panels give the 3200 an aggressive stance, signaling confidence and control. This truck doesn't just look powerful, it is powerful. Under the hood, the Chevrolet 3200 brings modern innovation to classic strength. Equipped with a next-generation turbocharged V8 engine, it delivers a perfect balance of brute force and refined efficiency. With over 500 horsepower on tap and advanced hybrid assist technology, it's capable of massive towing power while maintaining impressive fuel economy. Chevy engineers have pushed the limits to create a pickup that's as smart as it is strong. A truck that can handle the toughest job sites and still glide through city streets with ease. Step inside, and you'll instantly feel the transformation. The 2026 Chevrolet 3200's interior is where comfort meets capability. The cabin features premium materials, soft-touch leather seats, a panoramic digital display, and a fully integrated infotainment system with AI voice assistance. It's designed for drivers who work hard but expect luxury. Every switch, every stitch, every detail has purpose. The sound insulation keeps the cabin whisper quiet even at high speeds, turning every drive into an experience. On the road, the Chevrolet 3200 handles like a dream. Thanks to its adaptive suspension and precision-tuned steering, it offers a smooth ride whether you're cruising on the highway or powering through rugged terrain. The new drive control system automatically adjusts performance based on your driving conditions: off-road, sport, or comfort mode, ensuring you always have the perfect balance between stability and strength. Safety, of course, remains a top priority. The 2026 3200 includes advanced driver assist systems, lane monitoring, collision detection, and 360-degree camera coverage, making it one of the safest trucks on the road. Whether it's work or weekend adventure, you can count on the Chevrolet 3200 to keep you protected and in control. The 2026 Chevrolet 3200 pickup truck isn't just another release. It's a revolution in motion. It honors Chevrolet's long history of tough, dependable trucks while pushing boldly into the future. This is more than power. It's pride. It's passion. It's performance perfected. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more upcoming reviews of the hottest 2026 vehicles. The Chevrolet 3200 pickup truck, where heritage meets horsepower.